Me do asipi yencha na yencha wati for no pe yaba no so de
yaba
obi nka asem na obi so nse trodo matwa ye sha se em se ukọ Bavaria BMW nim ne fu mini no
da BMW
so want to say BMW if any be my wife
me te was and then me te was pa baby say be my wife na ye no
oh sir
da
te chi na iko nze Bavaria Motorworks.
Oh, okay.
Now Bavaria Motorworks, they have a folklore story in the company's history. One of the fabled stories in Germany's automobile industry. Now, where Kabi or buying Bavaria Motorworks, BMW new yes. Bavaria Motorworks now, or machine B, anomaly sequence and unknown. Ntino or here you man or qua. No, two BBF who not the call.
Yeah. He's almost from
to I am number 4. I am number 4. I think 60s or the 70s. The ultimate Bavaria Motorworks story. Bruh. We manage to say Sani Pano. Dana one bed man, the human until Obi Adam.
Yes.
Good. Fast forward to 2023. Me say Marco Nepa. Only Jan Christian Driesen. Jan Christian Driesen, Chief Executive Officer by Munich. And Marco Nepa, I am the technical director and as a sporting director, Sani Amokano. Now, and almost 12 Bavaria, almost London. I could share Daniel Levy. Now, I made a video on the Kakakra. Omonekono. The entire Bavaria transfer window, the summer window, and then they're called.
That's what
the Omodebe and the betcher say Bavaria Motorworks will meet my Juma and as a multimillion money. Now, for the purposes of everything, not NEPA airport only, technical director only, Marco Nepa, a former footballer.
Yeah.
Oh, that's him. And Obisha Jan Christian Driesen on in the Cabo March, or more aircon. They share a very unique relationship as people. Until we pictures, or more far plans, they share that relationship. Na niema omumi enu no gidi se kwa omoko no bibi bebom ni so here over the weekend. Reports from England nature say Hurricane is preparing to move to Bayern Munich.
Yes.
Omujidi said there is something significant has shifted in the negotiations. Ebema Kane akopiem e Germany. Now this is it. Marco Nepa no ebra na omo epe technical director the England omo friend director of football. Ama Tottenham Hotspur no. Daniel Levy momo friend. Oni ni din komo in May, na Daniel Levy Quadrian is a Nepa no bejatum no aba. Na Bibia has signed with Hassan Saliami this age. The departure.
Yes.
Until was a Marco Nepa, Otina, na Christian Front, a free Salzburg, Ebe Canihun, as the boss. You see, by that close relationship, what Timia Yama, no man can nipa be negotiated or money Daniel Levy Ayano, Jan Christian Driesen Onyebi. And untino catch on say wa bre jet lag or stuff to do nyoma ba ku be also yentino omon twen no Nepa no catch a dressing se man ha no omon jintum se ombe postpone nti meeting no mo postpone here no and then na ebe koso no and they believe said they have what it takes to put together a good package Daniel Levy cannot refuse that package. Nti the optimism around Bayern Munich kwa Marco Nepa and Jan Christian Driesen Chief Executive Officer omo ko England nyina ne say omo ba den omo de sem papa aba be catch Germany and the Bayern Munich. And you see, forget about everything. Hurricane is a very good striker. And then he be kasa asem no. Bakwaku. So when you no doubt about that. Nemum so omo the Hurricane eba they have more or less lifted the mood in the team and then the league. After Lewandowski, who was the proper number 9. So Tidina ne de ebe omuno. Osimhen, afi no ofefe. Randall Kolomwani, afi no ofefe. Dusan Vlahovic. But then they have the potential to get one of the very best in the business, if not the best, center forward in Hurricane from Europe. So Ombra no misia kan emom. Mehu Andrew Nana so oko Maguaso.
Not Tiano.
Or Tiana said
Baby, I know Jano.
Ujinahin.
Oh, Chama.
But Mumma in Ribi. Yes, Samu, Mummy in Ribi. Yes, Samu Pamucho.
A more machine.
That debut, or yes, no.
I'll see you.
Good. Magwan and the bone in the same. He, into Magua heading. ye pesi hu Harry Maguire ne bonne pa wa haye den wakam wen
the position no am
mama position no mama position go
e baby Maguire no
aha
on baby on nam no
ene ye na free mo fro no
wa relax cra
oba because ni zone no ball na free o
but unu ahu ni so okokam
team majatu me da CP enti goalkeeper de o dem a e was so command with back line o me boa
unim de o re ho almost start na me che wade
bibi so wada go da
oze
ene wa san show
biyo he on pass na Maguire he on pass we very bad
ene hospital pass no
enye
good enti pass no na enye
pass no
me no ye adwen
enye
unko boss a pass no ho
enye
nti the defending of the pass two was bad enye sa me no ye adwen na me no nya adwen
on me adwen
me pa enko wan bisaka third goal
oh ade
me pa e adwuma ne ye
oh okay
ye ko hye ya no
okay
na nyame 3-2 ya show one bisaka no me boa hospital pass our
pass ya che ela le holo so da ho si tuja
good e hwa na e fa de show mo no me boa goalkeeper no ye den
e share na dan na ni hwe wi a
nti no was all time agwa tan hunu kwa
bijo
tan hunu kwa
sorry we dey why ya ba si super say
tan hunu kwa
we abelo what is agwa le tolo le
tan hunu kwa
o we dey ya be who say
tan hunu kwa
time ya be who say time
tan hunu kwa tan hunu kwa
bishop we dey ya be G2 be time be abahu say we dey time ahu
but that England for captain kasa tan hunu kwa ball no dem dey bia show o mba no munya clean sheet o ba ye show sa ye share no
too much is 3 goals
ye share na
o ma share
good na dey nti na okoti atia capito
ye capito bio
England captain here wa yaje o man na mbobo no mu nyina wa na captain no you can't be doing that you can't be doing that yes sir Poku my nsi sudua Mohamed Salisu kwa oko Monaco no because Monaco ajatum say ombetua sika ni nyina
Salisu move
sika Southampton epe no eno na omajatum so ombetua Jason Wilcox na no embeka no asem wa memenda no Manchester City ono na head of football operations Southampton say Jason Wilcox no hu say sika na omope no eno na Monaco for ni tua no eno ma sanction deal na ma Salisu eko a statement to West Ham, Liverpool and Chelsea any obi a ope player Newcastle free Southampton Newcastle pay Tino Livramento almost on budget 30 million pounds
flat
e be free so almost players no be on ebo we are ready so pair bra and yes o relegation tin almost on bet so secondly and China West Ham they bid call for 20 million pounds for James Ward-Prowse and I'm catch almost sika na omo de aba no omo nso omo fanko na sika ni so again another statement of intent say ni ebeji it comes to Liverpool any Romeo Lavia me say oh yes story no asem no must say bi mbra
as it still comedy dey go so cause
but sika no betu Liverpool the bid ne call Saturday anjime
yes
ombeji sika no because that's the evaluation ni ordinary no on the nim ne bo ni ordinary no on the nim ne bo mura eno da nchen a mframa a ebo yi se unhumi bi obi nim de deba echina bi na so montimi ansa amba Premier League ni muntema skabe no mo de be team no
ombebre
and a Sports Republic na only Southampton no Dragon Solak on any dia oye billionaire and all funding company no on gina ho na ode ne nsa hye ne jacket ho onim ni oye ba enti no upel Southampton player
baba on ombeje o
Jom de Monaco no is an indication to everyone. And on Romeo Lavia, Chelsea have been very intelligent. Very, very intelligent. Pochettino, any Romeo Lavia, Casa. They want him. But they keep on telling people around them, say, he is not a priority for them now. Name of person who say, Southampton, 50 million almost open. Figure Ben omuni Liverpool be agree. Omuni himself Liverpool second bid nako. So if they agree the fee, Chelsea will match it.
Ombe match is a fee.
No ma catch one. The omo offer no. Omo dey ma love ya on personal terms.
I was so chairman.
I say Liverpool there no.
Wow.
Until when they match the agreed fee. Southampton say, okay, Liverpool pay 45 million plus add-ons 5. Chelsea will match that. Then the decision will be for the player to make. And then it becomes an issue for him. I agreed. But you see, areas where no be up on the baby so what I say. But that's the situation. In two cases, Liverpool and Southampton aiding come through Jason Wilcox a yampa. Maybe then you the second off and a quampa, but they are watching. Mira Medicino now Jerry and Casem Kessia Yaba. On say Canada, Canadian 100 meters. Mema record no nipe kwa near the great Donovan Bailey.
Yes.
Atalanta 96 Mira. Yeah, bomodia wo fi now bra na ko YouTube no so. No 100 meters no. No the great Donovan Bailey. Say USA are hosting Olympic Games. Na omunu yaketwa on the north. Etimie Saniaba. Abeye edwuma no through Donovan Bailey. In fact, Donovan Bailey was an exceptional athlete. Besi no that's 100 meters record no. Now no you copy more Canadian national trials. They call World Athletics Championship no. 100 meters obia here anymore say Andre de Grasse. Oba be Faris no. Amfa. Minia semi-finals with the third. Amfa. Ntino he risked not coming to the World Athletics Championship in Hungary. Name in the 200 meters the Canadian record ekra Andre de Grasse. Olympic medalist, world medalist, 20.01 seconds. No, the mark and to home. Say Penini Fikrano or Abache, Fizobayache. Into the experience now when this race no. Now Oba Hungary. Into here. I feel 200 meters now you to know. Uncranon there yard. Yes. Fred Kelly, Arion Knighton, Noah Lyles, Letile Chibogo. What do we need for more? And Penyum for Nankasani dear. Bednarik Mira, paying for young boys no and a massage 200 no. Now he comes in and he could upset the dynamic. Not least on in the year neighbor. Yeah. Near your friend nearly 100 meters hurdles champion for the USA. Kokobin can't just say nearly but that's it. And she has the world lead. I feel in 100 meters hurdles, Mikaya 2 years. Then the time when the Mupano nearly into the power couple are back together and they will be coming with their family to the European city of Air Budapest to ensure say medals would go home. Emma and Mema, 100 meters hurdles, and Mema 200 meters, and the 4x100 relay for the great Canadian team.
Marty, medals, Pablo.